Here I'm going to share coupon code for ExoMiner. This is third video. I created a two video in recent. You can simply check that video from the card section. Okay, simply click the card section and you will able to check that video. So here is a full fresh coupon code for ExoMiner which is working right now in this month. So simply use that coupon code on the reward section and you will get amazing reward by using that coupon code. So here is a full fresh coupon code for ExoMiner which is working right now and you can use it. Here we go.